Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something from Sakurai Foods over in Japan. This is their vegetarian soy milk spicy noodle. So we're going to do a mukbang on that one. This one says it's vegan, it has a little vegan logo, oriental vegetarian, no animal, no fish, no alcohol, no MSG, and additive free. I will be adding some animal to it, but not after I give it a nice taste before doing so. So, cooks for, it said 2 to 3 minutes, so it's going to go for 2.5. Let me set that up right now. And the noodles in the pot, and 2.5 minutes. So, what's new with you? Last night we took the little ones that are getting bigger out on the town. And we went to the, what do you call it? Sesame Street Live. Oh, wow. Yeah, my daughter, I'm surprised that she just didn't fill her diaper right there. It was like, she was like, Elmo! I mean, it was just like what you expected that it was like when the Beatles came on stage and all the teenage girls were screaming. I mean, it was just like insanity. It was pretty cool too, because yesterday was Sunday and we went to the 6 o'clock show. It was the last show of the whole weekend. It was in Everett, Washington at the Angel of Winds Arena. It's named after a casino. Anyways, yeah, there was maybe like, God, I'd say maybe 20% of occupancy there, so that was nice. Although, I gotta say, the price they charge for tickets for things like this are just obscene. It's like, really? Really? It seems like usually you have things where like kids get in free and adults have to pay. For something like this, it should be the opposite, right? I mean, Elmo's alright, Sesame Street's alright, but I mean, it's not really my bag, you know what I'm saying? So, but it's theirs, and then you still gotta buy the stuff at the door if you want to get them a little prize or something. And of course, those are ridiculously overpriced too. But yeah, we had fun. We had fun. It was neat. Kids loved it, so that's all that matters. So, that is, Miles is dismantling all the clean living room we had left and making it dirty again. And messy. That's how it goes. So, these are soy milk spicy noodles. Here's how the noodle itself looks. It looks pretty good. And I've had their noodles before. I'm generally quite a fan of this brand. Kinda got some oiliness to it. Let's get this out of here. Almost there. Yeah, it might seem like I'm doing a lot of mukbangs lately, but I'm still on my my diet. Like, how do you do that? Like, well, when I do a mukbang, I don't eat a whole heck of a lot of other stuff Like for dinner I'll have a salad, and the salad's like, this is basically the same, will be the same amount of calories that a dinner usually is, but I'm just having it at lunch. This looks pretty. I will not deny that. Look at that. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, you might be wondering about my Neato glasses. It's because I left my shades are in my wife's purse right now. So, my prescription shades. So I'm wearing these shields. Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna say it's like violently spicy, but it's super good. Mmm. Yeah. Wow. So, if you're of the vegan or simply vegetarian persuasion, yeah, I think you want to have a look at this stuff. Look at that. Yeah, soy milk. It does so well in such things. Wonderful stuff. But as I said, this is not a, what do you call it? This will be a mukbang, but you know, it's not violently spicy. So, I'm gonna dress it up and have it that way. My egg for the week, probably. Come on, you. There you go. I mean, there's really technically nothing wrong with having something vegetarian in it, or vegetarian and then putting vegetables in it. One thing you might note is that, hey, it's got all these other stats. Why isn't it halal? As I put pork in it, pardon me. The reason for that probably is because their factory also uses pork in some way, shape, or form. And so I believe the rule is for something to be actually halal, there can't be anything pork processed on the premises, period. I learned that while I was in Thailand, so I believe that's the deal. Oh, you get off of there. Yummy, yummy. Oh, where's that? I got something new. N-E-W. Baru. Oh man, I gotta open it and everything. I have some black pet sesame seeds. You're probably thinking like, yeah, so. It's like, well, I've never used them. So that's kind of a fun thing. And it doesn't want to let me in the container, so maybe I'm still not going to use them. I don't know. Let's see. Come on. Ah, now I got some kind of gunk on me. What the hell? And on my black sesame container. So let's see. Let's round the whole deal up. I don't have my regular shades. Oh, it's from here. It's from the egg. That's the kind of gunk I got on me. I don't have my shades. I don't have this thing opened yet. Come on. I don't want to listen to this song. That's better. See, I like stuff like this. I like funky things. In fact, I listen to music like this primarily. Yeah. But this is like remade in the image of this kind of music, if that makes any sense. Yeah. Inner safety, tamper-proof lid. You know, just in case somebody wants to go to the grocery store and spike your black sesame seeds. I guess it's a possibility of happening. Pretty slim, but it's a possibility. Let's put a few. And then I've got a little bit of pepper. A little bit extra pepper would be nice. And there, still don't have the rotating thingy, but I'll do it manually for you, the viewer. That looks great, if I do say so myself. Whoops. 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 Anyways, yeah, so there you go. That ran longer than I expected. Sorry about that, but this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. You can catch this show every day when I post it, where I post it, on YouTube at 2 p.m. every day. And then there's the Chocolate Break, an American original. Hardest chocolate, craziest wackiness. That's on at Thursdays at 11 a.m. And good chance you'll be seeing a mukbang on YouTube on Fridays at 2 or 3 or somewhere around there. So, alright, this has been Hans. Have a good one.